In today's video, I'll show you how to back up Windows 11 to external hard drive. So you can do this on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to get started, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. Then from the best matches, just open up Control Panel. And after that, make sure you're inside all Control Panel icons. And make sure your view by is set to large icons. And after that, just go to Backup and Restore. And after you're in here to set up a backup, what you have to do is just simply click on Set up a backup under this backup. So after clicking on it, you'll get this window. It says Starting Windows Backup. Please wait a while. So just give it some time. And then after it loads, it's going to ask you which hard drive you want to save your backup to. You just select one from here and click on Next. Then you can either let Windows choose what you back up, or you can choose them manually. I would love to choose it manually, so I'll select that and click on Next. And after that, it's going to show you everything that you can back up, including all your hard drive and local drive, along with all the document folder. Now let's say, for example, I just want to save this one music library. So I'll select that and click on Next. Then it's going to show everything that's going to be backed up. And it also has a schedule option. You can set it to a weekly backup or monthly backup or a daily backup and set the time and date over here. And after everything has been done, what you have to do is just click on OK and click on Save Settings and Run Backup. Then just give it some time. It will set the backup for you. Just give it a little bit of time and stay patient. It's going to back up the entire thing for you. And there you go. The backup has been successful. Then you can just close this out. And basically, that is how to back up on external hard drive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.